Welcome back to our channel, where we explore innovative ways to live sustainably in urban environments. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of urban homesteading, where you can create your very own sustainable oasis right in the heart of the city. Join us as we uncover the secrets to a self-sufficient lifestyle, full of fresh produce, natural beauty, and the joys of urban farming. Let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of urban homesteading, let's take a moment to understand what it actually means. Urban homesteading is the practice of creating a self-sufficient and sustainable lifestyle in an urban setting. It's about embracing the principles of traditional homesteading, but adapting them to fit within the constraints of city living. From growing your own food to raising backyard chickens and bees, urban homesteading allows you to connect with nature, reduce your ecological footprint, and live more consciously. One of the core elements of urban homesteading is cultivating your own food in a small urban garden. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a small backyard, you can transform it into a lush, productive space. Start by selecting the right crops for your climate and space, and make use of vertical gardening techniques to maximize your growing area. Don't forget to compost your kitchen scraps and use organic fertilizers to nourish your plants. In no time, you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest of fresh, pesticide-free vegetables right from your own backyard. Urban homesteading isn't just limited to plants. You can also raise animals in the city, even with limited space. Backyard chickens are a popular choice for urban homesteaders, as they provide fresh eggs and help with pest control. Bees are another fantastic addition to an urban homestead, as they pollinate your plants and produce honey. Before bringing any animals into your urban homestead, be sure to check local regulations and provide them with a safe and comfortable environment. Living in an urban homestead is all about embracing self-sufficiency. Start by reducing your reliance on store-bought goods and instead focus on making things from scratch. Preserve the harvest by canning or pickling your surplus produce. Learn basic DIY skills like making your own cleaning products, soap, and even simple furniture. By becoming more self-sufficient, you'll not only save money but also reduce waste and live a more fulfilling life. And there you have it, an introduction to urban homesteading and how it enables sustainable living in the city. By cultivating your own food, raising animals, and embracing self-sufficiency, you can create a thriving urban oasis right at your doorstep. So, what are you waiting for? Start your urban homesteading journey today and make a positive impact on your environment and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for sustainable living. Until next time, happy homesteading!